We don't need strobe, we don't need nav, we have beacon on, and put flaps up.
92443, National Ground Taxi to the hangar.
Hangar 443, I don't know what kind of headsets that guy uses. Whenever he's on the radio, it sounds like he's in a tin can.
Yeah, same flavor I'm using.
Huh, well, maybe he's in a tin can.
That could be.
Alright, let's get
He's got a booming voice.
It is. What do you got, November still?
6 at Manchester. There's parachute jumping in progress at the Pepperell Sports Center, 5 miles southwest of Nashua, at and below 15,000. Avoid flight within a 2-mile radius of Pepperell. Advise on initial contact, you've received information. November.
Alright, we got November. We're going to turn this up a little bit. And we're talking to ground. Let's do a brake check. Brakes are good. Alright, and we're talking to ground. We're going to say we're at Infinity, ready to taxi with information November. Nashua ground, Skyhawk 172, Hotel Lima is at Infinity, ready to taxi with November.
Skyhawk 172, Hotel Lima, Nashua Tower, roger, runway 32, Delta Alpha.
Runway 32 via Delta Alpha to Hotel Lima. Alright, we are clear left and clear right. Alright, park and brake is set. Before takeoff, cabin doors, seats and seatbelts check secure. Secure enough. Doors unlocked. Yep, we're good there. We'll get the window free and correct. So we got up, 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 right, left. Fuel quantity is checked. We've got full tanks. Primer is in and locked. Mixture is rich. Fuel selector is on both. Elevator trim is set for takeoff. Throttle 1700 RPM. Okay. Great. Less than 150 drop. Back to both. Left. Less than 125 drop. Back to both. There. Strobe lights as desired. We're good. We got a charge. We got good oil pressure. We got good oil temperature. Alright. And idle check. Doesn't quit on us. Back to about 1,000. Okay. We're going to do a normal takeoff here. We'll get the landing lights and strobes once we get up there. We're going to switch over to tower.
Reporting 4 mile finder, skipper 151, runway 32.
Carburetor heat is cold. Throttle full open. With nose wheel at 60 miles an hour or 52 knots. Tower Skyhawk 172 Hotel Lima is holding short runway 32 for closed traffic.
Skyhawk 172 Hotel Lima, Nashua Tower, runway 32, make right closed traffic, report midfield, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 32, make right traffic, report midfield each time, to Hotel Lima. Alright, so we got lights. Heels to the floor. Alright, we got good engine power. Good oil pressure. I'm looking for 65.
Nashua Tower, Skipper 151 is over the river 4 miles from the field, runway 32.
Skipper 151, National Tower, runway 32, cleared touch and go. After touch and go, make right close traffic, report midfield.
Clear touch and go 32, right close traffic.
Stop 172 Hotel Lima, look ahead then off to right. You're number 2 to follow Skyhawk, coming up on a mile and a half final.
Looking for traffic, 2 Hotel Lima.
That's a Skipper on a mile and a half final.
Scout 172 Hotel Lima, correction on the type aircraft you're flying is the Skipper on a mile final. Altitude indicate 800 feet.
Roger, still looking for traffic, 2 Hotel Lima. Traffic inside, 2 Hotel Lima.
Scout 172 Hotel Lima, you're number 2 to follow, runway 32, cleared touch and go. After touch and go, make right close traffic and report the midfield.
Clear touch and go, runway 32, number 2, 2 Hotel Lima. Clear final.
Nashua Tower, 18151 is midfield, right downwind, runway 32.
Skipper 18151, runway 32, clear, touch and go.
Clear, touch and go, 151.
Nashua Tower, Skyhawk 737 Bravo Bravo, ready for departure with 32. I'm departing to the west with an altitude of 2,500 feet.
Skyhawk 737 Bravo Bravo, Nash Tower, hold short, runway 32, landing traffic.
Holding short, 737 Bravo Bravo.
Skyhawk 172 Hotel Lima, 1 Cherokee departure before your arrival, runway 32, clear, touch and go.
Clear, touch and go, runway 32 to Hotel Lima.
Cherokee 75202, you can fly number 2, you'll be following the Skyhawk on the right downwind, coming to beam the numbers of runway 32.
Alright, we're looking for that traffic, 222.
Tower 833.
Is this 19833, Nash Tower?
Yes, I think you might have, I think the ground might have his mic stuck there. It's carry wave only, no voice.
This is 19833, I'll let him know.
Inbound traffic in sight.
Cherokee 33847, thank you, sir. You can follow the Cherokee.
You 2 behind check.
847.
Skyhawk 172 Hotel Lima, once you reach midfield, watch for Cherokee Warrior. He's on the right downwind, past the numbers.
Traffic in sight, 2 Hotel Lima.
Warrior 75202, negative traffic reported or observed, affecting route of flight. Frequency change approved. Have a safe flight.
Frequency change approved, thanks for the help, 75202.
Skyhawk 172 Hotel Lima, make a left 360 your present position, report reestablished on the downwind. I have several aircraft ready for departure.
Left 360 to Hotel Lima.
Nashua Tower, Cirrus 93 Whiskey Foxtrot, Manchester BOR with Oscar landing.
Jet Chair 842, make sure your squawking is 7341. I say again, 7341.
7341, Jet Share 842.
Chair 842, contact departure and have a safe flight.
Contact departure, Jet Share 842. Thanks, good day.
You're welcome.
Tower 172 Hotel Lima is back on the right downwind.
Skyhawk 701 Tango Hotel, roger. One more departure before your arrival. I'll call your turn to base.
Roger, you'll call turn to base, 172 Hotel Lima.
Cessna 172 Hotel Lima, one more departure before your arrival. You start your turn to base, runway 32, cleared, touch and go.
Clear, touch and go, runway 32, and starting right turn to base, departure before arrival, to Hotel Lima.
2 aircraft talk at the same time. Cherokee 15406, contact departure and have a safe flight.
Tower 172 Hotel Lima, full stop, runway 32.
Dog 172 Hotel Lima, understand. Full stop this time, sir. You are number 3. You are following a Skyhawk on the right base, about a mile and a three-quarter out. 900 feet indicated.
Traffic in sight on the base. 2 Hotel Lima.
Dog 172 Hotel Lima, Reggie, number 3, runway 32, clear to land.
Number 3, clear to land, runway 32, 2 Hotel Lima.
Skyhawk 172 Hotel Lima, turn left at taxiway Charlie, hold short of taxiway Alpha and contact ground, point 8.
Left on Charlie, hold short Alpha, and contact ground point 8. Thank you. 2 Hotel Lima.
172 Hotel Lima, thanks for your help this afternoon, sir.
No worries, 2 Hotel Lima.
Nashua Tower, Skyhawk 7242 Golf, holding short, runway 32, departure out to the west.
Skyhawk 7242 Golf, Nashua Tower, runway 32, westbound departure approved, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 7242 Golf.
Nashua Tower, Skyhawk 20172 is 11 to the northwest, landing with Oscar.
Skyhawk 20172, Nashua Tower, good afternoon, sir, ident.
After landing, carb heat is cold. Wing flaps are up. And we're talking to ground. And strobes and landing lights coming off. Nashua ground, Skyhawk 172 Hotel Lima is on Charlie, taxi to parking at Infinity.
172 Hotel Lima, Nashua, taxi to park.
Taxi to parking, 172 Hotel Lima, thank you. Alrighty, well we got a good flight today, I think.